what happened is it's the Florida boys, J Boss, Rio.
Woohoo! Good note.
And you know, we don't have nothing to do here on campus.
Nothing.
And you know, we just decided to make a few videos of some random real stuff now, real stuff. Now, what we want to do is we gonna need y'all help. This is what we need. We need y'all to send us some requests. Tell us some things y'all want to hear about. You know, some of y'all thoughts. Maybe we can answer them.
We gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it 100. I don't know about this nigga, but I'm gonna keep it 100.
I'm gonna tell you how it is. Cause as long as I got this popcorn in my hand, you gonna know what it is.
What you mean? What you mean?
Me too. Nah. You can hit me up on my Facebook, or you can see it on his Facebook or YouTube. Whatever quest you got, we will acknowledge it.
What you mean? What?
And it should be on the next video.
Next video? What?
All right, man.
What?
Florida boys out. Be easy.